old magazine house is less about what you can see and more about what you can do. It has an office building with 3 rooms. It's a place to socialize with fellow hobbyists. The camp is surrounded by the lush greenery of a forest. And it also has 2 cottages. Here you can be sure of spotting the jungle's rare and vibrant avian denizens. This is the dormitory with a capacity of 30 beds. And here's the bonfire area. It's a place to just be, catch your breath, learn about nature, and get away from the mad rush. And this is where all the action happens, where the photographers wait to catch a glimpse of the local resident birds. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner is served with the respective package. The old magazine house brings to mind a rustic old world with a classic roughing to it, and it's exactly that. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.